Hi, I'm Sugam Pandey, CTO and co-founder of Docyt. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Gary, the world's first AI bookkeeper. Gary is developed to streamline the digital back office for small businesses by fully automating your bookkeeping tasks. Gary helps prioritize client tasks by identifying what's the most urgent. You have full control over when Gary makes a decision. Just establish some ground rules and off Gary goes. Put Gary on autopilot by setting an accuracy threshold. Gary will handle your daily tasks like reviewing bills and receipts, reconciling revenue deposits, responding to client questions, and so on. It's built on a robust SaaS platform, safeguarding your financial data while you have full control. Gary can spot unusual activities in the books and send alerts. It can flag unclear transactions that need your client's attention. And reach out to them to resolve these open items. And now, our favorite part. The month-end closing process that typically takes 15 days can now be done in 45 minutes. This is possible because Gary works every day, 24/7. Month-end closing is now as simple as checking a box. Let me show you. Gary tells you when it's the time to close the month. It proactively resolves errors, does sanity checks, and can request necessary documents. Then, Gary follows a comprehensive month-end closing process defined by our industry experts. We call this the Docyt way. Every account on your balance sheet is reconciled, cross-checked, verified, and resolved by Gary. What does this all really mean? Your accounts are reconciled daily, which means your financials are real-time. Your KPI tracking happens daily and is real-time. This is an exciting breakthrough for the accounting world. Today, the accounting field is cluttered with point solutions that operate in silos, and it's costly. Docyt is eliminating this with one powerful solution, integrating everything through AI-powered workflows for expense management, revenue accounting, month-end closing, powerful industry vertical reporting, KPIs, and metrics forming a seamless and end-to-end accounting ecosystem. And Gary works on top of this. We are excited about what Gary can do, and so are our clients. Here's what one of them had to say.
I think in the accounting industry, there's still a lot of questions with the current technology and AI. I think an AI tool such as Gary being directly integrated and ingrained into the accounting software will help bridge that gap and allow us to then really see the benefits of AI being able to support us in what we do, helping support our clients. And I really look forward to seeing all that Gary does, and even after that, to continue to grow and to provide even more tools as technology continues to grow.
With Gary by your side, managing your finances couldn't be easier. And it doesn't stop there. We have more exciting updates of Gary on the way. Contact us today to learn more.